Development in Bharat is primarily society-driven. Energy is one of the most crucial areas for rapid socio-cultural development. Bioenergy is an alternative where people's participation is most essential. Here is a success story of a small village in Rajasthan called Karan Singh Ji Ki Kheri. Providing energy to the entire country has been an exciting challenge in recent years. In the past, we have depended merely on fossil fuels such as oil and coal for energy. According to the experts, petroleum production has already peaked and might be exhausted by the year 2050. The world cannot afford to neglect the climate change crisis caused by fossil fuel emissions. The search for viable and renewable alternative energy sources, which are less polluting and environment friendly, has brought forth some positive results. We are watching here the village Karan Singh Ji Ki Kheri, which is one of the poorest and low literacy level villages of Rajasthan. This village has a population of about 590 hut dwellings. Paucity of electrical power for agriculture has forced many families to migrate to cities in search of work. Lack of educational infrastructure and hygiene, and water shortage, non-availability of health services are the problems engulfing the village. The Madhav Gau Vigyan Kendra, which is located in the district, stepped in as a source of inspiration for the villagers, providing them guidance and help. Frequent visits of Sri Rameshwar Ji helped in creating awareness amongst the villagers. They resolved to do something about their problems and offered their services to construct the check dams on rivulets to increase the groundwater level. The water table has risen considerably and there is palpable relief in the village since the last couple of years. Now, villagers are not forced to migrate to cities for work during the dry season. They are now willing to engage themselves in agricultural activities in the dry season too. Considering all these factors, Seva International, a premier international charity, decided to step in. Seva International launched its work to set up a biomass gasifier power plant with the capacity of 11 kilowatts with the help of the Madhav Gau Vigyan Kendra.
अनुसंधान संस्थान के अंदर बिजली का कनेक्शन नहीं लिया गया है। परंपरागत वैकल्पिक ऊर्जा स्रोत से विद्युत उत्पादन करके उसकी आपूर्ति की जाती है। इसी श्रृंखला के अंदर हमारी संस्था सेवा इंटरनेशनल दिल्ली ने यहाँ नौगांव से 25-30 किलोमीटर आगे करण जी की खेड़ी में सामला जी विद्युत उत्पादन केंद्र के नाम से एक गैसीफायर का आरंभ किया जा रहा है।
Relentless efforts by Shri Naresh Sharma, a social activist based in the USA, propped up the spirit of the village. Support from the Ministry of Natural and Renewable Energy Sources in the form of subsidies needs to be specially mentioned here. During the inauguration ceremony, the villagers were eagerly awaiting for this great moment. The entire pandal was decorated to look like a bride. People themselves decided to provide a community dinner after the program, and they did this without taking any aid from others. All villagers without any exception and the visitors dined together. The program was enriched and enlivened by the participation of women in their traditional colorful attire. A local saint and eminent Babaji blessed the gathering. Many dignitaries, including Shri Suresh Kumar, a senior pracharak of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha, Shri V.P. Singh, a member of parliament and a member of the Parliamentary Committee on PA, Shri Bhawarlal Kothari, chairman of the Rajasthan State Gau Seva Commission, and Shri Labshankar Joshi, vice chancellor of the Ayurveda University, were also present on the occasion. Shri Suresh Kumar recalled the services of Dr. Robin Abraham, who had initiated the project on behalf of Seva
और इसलिए
International.
ग्राम आधारित योजना इस राष्ट्र के विकास का आधार हो सकेगी। और उसमें भी सबसे महत्व की बात है, जिस दिन गांव के लोग ये सोच लेंगे हमारे गांव का विकास हम करेंगे, किसी कृपा पर निर्भर नहीं रहेंगे, जब आप निर्णय कर लेंगे तो सारी सुविधाएं भी आपके साथ जुटेगी।
The local member of parliament, Shri V.P. Singh, observed that he had launched many government schemes earlier to fulfill the serious demand for electricity. However, this present project was a unique experience that he enjoyed, especially in this little village.
मुझे खुशी है।
Patriotic songs were sung by the village kids, who brought fervor to the program. The program generated a sort of confidence among the villagers that was evident from their participation.
वंदना करूं मैं गणराज पधारो भक्तों में, वंदना करूं मैं गणराज पधारो भक्तों में, वंदना करूं मैं गणराज पधारो भक्तों में। सर्वप्रथम प्रभु हम तुमको ही पूजे, होते हैं पूरे काम सभी दूजे, पार्वती माँ के लाल पधारो भक्तों।
The gasifier unit has an irrigation capacity of 250 acres of land. The participatory cost of a 100 days package for irrigating 2.5 acres of land is Rs 1,000. The abundantly available wild babool, spread over 700 bighas of village land, supplies the fuel for the gasifier. Some villagers are gathering here to collect this woody fuel. The managing committee has all the authority as well as the responsibility of maintaining the biomass gasifier unit. The technical advisor, Professor Deepak Sharma, elaborates here the functional processes of the gasifier unit. Professor Sharma is associated with the Technological University in the state of Rajasthan.
I will explain the working of this biomass gasifier, which has been set up at Karan Singh Ji ki Khedi through the assistance of Seva International. This gasifier is actually producing a sort of gas which is called producer gas, and the producer gas which is produced is utilized for either conversion into direct heat, or it can also be used for converting it into electricity. The producer gas is generated in the chamber which is known as a reactor. The fuel source which is utilized for this, for the producing of this type of gas, is actually the pieces of normal fuel wood which should be of a specific size. We can use any type of crop material for this crop residue for this gasifier.
The beneficiaries of this project are overwhelmed and are willing to share their experiences with the neighboring villages. On the day of inauguration, every person of this village was in a cheerful mood. Let us meet two beneficiaries, Shri Tej Singh and Shri Narayan Singh.
पहले हमारे पानी की बहुत समस्या थी, काम में पानी पीने का नहीं था, हैंड पंप से खारा पानी पी रहे थे। फिर बाद में ये एनीकट बने, एनीकट बनने के बाद में हमारे कुएं में पानी आया। पानी आने के बाद में हम 2-3 फसल ले रहे हैं, लेकिन बिजली की कमी के कारण ये गैसी पाइप का काम हुआ। इससे हमारे को अब बिजली की कोई दूसरी की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं, हमारा काम इससे अच्छा चल जाएगा।
और ये गैसीफायर लगाने के बारे में हमको कोई तकलीफ नहीं, हम फसल कोई भी फसल हमारी अच्छा हुआ उस टाइम में हम ले सकते। हमारे को पानी जिस टाइम में हम हमारा घर कहीं जाने का राज हो गया, ऐसा हमारा मामला अच्छा बन गया है कहीं। तो ये गैसीफायर बनने से हमारा को बहुत फायदा मिल रहा है।
In the future, in order to reduce further dependence on wood, phase 2 of the project would include a biogas plant and a briquetting machine run on cow dung. Some of the crop residues that are burnt in the field can be mixed with the output of the biogas plant and briquetted for fuel into the gasifier. Here we have Shri Rameshwarji talking in detail about the future of the project.
अपन ने इतनी चर्चा की, इसके बाद में भविष्य में 1000 तक की आबादी के गांव में इन गांव में जो उपलब्ध संसाधन है, गोबर, विलायती बबूल, इसी से संपूर्ण अपन उस गांव की बिजली की आवश्यकता पूर्ति कर सकते हैं। गोबर से हमें दोहरा और तिहरा लाभ है। गोबर से हम गोबर गैस प्लांट चलाएंगे और उसकी जो सैलरी निकलेगी उस सैलरी का खाद के रूप में भी उपयोग करेंगे और यहाँ जो सरसों और चावल या अन्य भूसी जो पशुओं के खाने लायक नहीं है, तो ऐसे जो वनस्पति यहाँ बहुत है, थूर है, आकड़िया है, जिनको पशु नहीं खाते हैं, ऐसे भी कई प्रकार की वनस्पति है, इनको गोबर की सैलरी के साथ मिलाकर उसके भविष्य में ब्रिकेट बनाकर इन गैसीफायर में उपयोग करेंगे, जिससे हमें अन्य पेड़ पौधों की भी कम आवश्यकता रहेगी। विलायती बबूल जहाँ नहीं है, ऐसे स्थानों में अपन इस गोबर गैस की सैलरी से अपन पूरा का पूरा ऐसे गैसीफायर को चला सकते हैं।
Accomplishments of Karan Singh Ji ki Kheri are drawing applause from one and all. The alternative energy project in this small village is encouraging many others to take up this kind of self-sustaining energy generation for lighting remote hearths and irrigating barren lands. Karan Singh Ji ki Kheri welcomes you all.